Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with PayPal Partner Program, detailed guide step by step clearly. Locate the Join Now button on the page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email and password, then click Login. If you do not have a PayPal account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your new account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the application form for the partner program. Fill in the required personal and business information. Provide details about how you plan to use the partner program. Review the terms and conditions of the program carefully. Accept the terms by checking the box provided. Submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your submission. PayPal will review your application, which may take a few days. Once approved, you will receive an email with further instructions. Log back into your PayPal account after receiving approval. Navigate to the Partner Program dashboard. Here, you can access your unique referral link and marketing resources. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the program's guidelines. Start promoting your referral link to earn rewards. Keep track of your performance using the analytics tools provided in the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.